Good day, Sir Raymart. We are the Group 1. For today, we were going to tackle about the timeline of COVID-19 pandemic. For the for the 2019, the COVID-19 pandemic, which significantly impacted the world, began in late 2019. The virus was first identified in December 2019 in Wuhan, China, but it was not declared a pandemic by the World Health Organization until March 11, 2020.
2020. In 2020, COVID-19 became a global pandemic, profoundly impacting countries worldwide. Here's what happened about COVID-19 in a year of 2020. Pandemic declaration, global spread, lockdown and restrictions, healthcare system, vaccination development, airport lockdown, and economic impact. 2021. COVID-19 spreads worldwide in 2021 with more contagious variants. Vaccines are effective but unevenly distributed. COVID-19's cause of death varies globally, with Delta variant becoming the dominant strain. India experienced one of the worst pandemic outbreaks, with estimates ranging through August 31, 2021.
In year 2022, the COVID-19 pandemic experienced significant changes, including widespread vaccination, a shift from strict restriction to living with the virus, improved healthcare system, and recovery efforts, despite global inequalities in vaccine distribution and ongoing research on future variants.
In 2023, COVID-19's global situation shifted from its peak years in 2020 and 2021, with a decline in severe cases and deaths, endemic status, ongoing vaccination efforts, relaxation of restrictions, and global health preparedness. Despite remaining a concern, life returned closer to a normal in many parts of the world.
2024. In 2024, COVID-19 cases decreased by 57% between April and May 2024 compared to previous months due to the vaccine and protocols. However, there are still places where people must wear face masks and follow protocols to ensure safety, such as hospitals, crowded areas, and private areas. Despite the drop in cases, it is crucial to continue implementing these measures to protect public health and public safety. So, these were the examples of the timeline graph we provided. As you can see, the timeline is arranged in order, starting from 2019, when the COVID-19 pandemic began, up to 2024, where we are now seeing signs of pandemic nearing its end. We hope you found this video presentation helpful, and thank you for watching, and goodbye.